Welcome you all. Now another question. Find the positive square root of 2 to the power half into 4 to the power 1 by 4 into 8 to the power 1 by 8 into 16 to the power 1 by 16 and so on up to infinity. Now we will solve this question. One request to you is watch this video without any break. Now try to solve the question. First, let x that is equal to 2 to the power half into 4 to the power 1 by 4 into 8 to the power 1 by 8 into 16 to the power 1 by 16 and so on to infinity. Or we can write this by this way, or we should write every term, product terms, can be written as 2 to the power, because 4 to the power square, 8 to the power cube, 16 to the power 4. So writing this way, 2 to the power half into 4 means 2 to the power square into 1 by 4 into 8 means 2 to the power cube into 1 by 8 into 16 means 2 to the power 4 into 1 by 16. So on to the power infinity. Next, writing only this part, 2 to the power half to the power 2 by 4 into 2 to the power 3 by 8 into 2 to the power 4 by 16 and so on. This can be written as 2 to the power half plus 2 by 4 plus 3 by 8 plus 4 by 16 so on to infinity. 2 to the power, suppose s, where s is equal to half 2 by 4 3 by 8 to infinity, closed. Now see, therefore we can write now s is equal to, or we have to find out s is equal to what is half so on. Now if we multiply both sides by half, what will be? Half and half, 1 by 4, writing one step forward, plus 1 by 4. When it will be multiplied, first term multiplied by half, then 1 by 4 we have written here. Second term multiplied by 1 by 4, that will be 2 to the plus 2 by 2 and half 2 by 8 plus similarly 3 by 16 and so on into infinity. Now subtract. So s minus half, s by 2, that is equal to 1 by 4. This will be 1 by 8 this will be all are minus. One by 16 to infinity. So S is equal to, here practically this is S is equal to, what is, say we may take out common half and this 2 coming to the right, and within bracket 1 plus half plus 1 by half taken out common, 1 by 4, that means 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube. Now see, obviously this is a GP series whose common ratio is half. Each term multiplied by half getting the next term. So 2 will get cancelled, or S is equal to, this is infinite geometric progression, infinite GP series. So the formula is of infinite GP series, S is equal to A plus AR plus AR square plus and so on to infinity. S is equal to A by 1 minus R. There is condition modulus of R less than 1. This is the formula to find the infinite GP series. So here is first term 1, common ratio half, which is less than 1. So A by A means 1, 1 minus R means half. Here R is common ratio R. So or S is equal to 1 minus half, 1 by half, or S is equal to finally 2. So X is equal to, see from here we have a 2 to the power S, 2 to the power S means S from, name it X1. So from 1, or X is equal to 2. S means 2. Our question was find the positive square root of that expression, that means X. So we have to find out root over X, that is equal to root over 2 square. As question is find the positive square root, so we are not considering plus and minus, therefore root over X is equal to root over of 2 square means 2. Therefore answer is 2. So if it is relevant to you, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon next to it. Share your friends, and you may write some comments if you think. Thank you very much.